until 8 a.m. Monday. South winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Remain in the lower levels of your home during this windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Travel may be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use caution if you must drive. Service has issued a Severe Thunderstorm Watch, effective until 4 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a Severe Thunderstorm Watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, southeastern Logan County, central Greene County, Clark County, western Union County, Ohio, Madison County, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of St. Paris to Wilberforce, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 1:45 a.m., a 58 miles an hour gust was reported at Xenia Greene County Airport. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Fairborn, Xenia, Marysville, Urbana, London, Yellow Springs, Jefferson, Northridge, Plain City, West Jefferson, Cedarville, Enon, Richwood, South Charleston, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Choctaw Lake, Wilberforce, and Harmony. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 45 and 85. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Richland County, Eastern Seneca County, Erie County, Eastern Marion County, Northern Morrow County, Crawford County, until 4 a.m. At 2:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bellevue to 6 miles south of New Washington to near Cardington, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Sandusky, Norwalk, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Mount Gilead, Galion, Shelby, Bellevue, Willard, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, New London, Cardington, Belleville, Plymouth, Northern Milan, and Milan. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morrow County, Knox County, until 4 a.m. At 3:15 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chesterville to Centerburg to near Johnstown, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Centerburg, Danville, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Baringo, Fulton, Martinsburg, Gann, North Liberty, and Bladensburg.